Guys, please make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake that people often make can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Tahoe or Chevy Suburban. This generation that you see right here from year 2014 to year 2020. If you need to find where the central locking, also known as door locks, fuses and relays, where you can expect to find the central locking, fuses and relays, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, where it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them, guys, completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, guys, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays as well, guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Guys, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. We'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So guys, the central locking, door locks, fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this generation Chevy Tahoe and Chevy Suburban here. Both of these models are built on the same platform. The main difference is the Tahoe is a little bit shorter, so it should apply to both models. And quick advice from us, guys, there is 5 hidden fuse boxes that 9 out of 10 owners do not know they exist. That's okay. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location and diagram on Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban. Check it out. What we need to do now, guys, we need to open the driver door. Come to the side of the dash. Here, that's a cover on the side of the dash. Pry it open and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So guys, for the central locking, the door locks, there is very limited information about fuses and relays. Now, what we suggest is to check your door fuses. Now, you will have a fuse for the left doors of your vehicle and for the right doors. Most likely, that's part of the central locking as well. Where they're located, for the driver's side doors, you need to check fuse number 43. For the passenger side doors, you need to come to the passenger side of the dash, and here, guys, okay, you need to pry that cover open again. You have almost identical fuse box, and here for the passenger side doors you will need to check fuse number 44. Relay, we couldn't find one, most likely you don't have one, but we'll recommend to check these fuses first, guys. So guys, I want to show you now something. Okay, check this thing out. You have all different kinds of fuses. Fuses, relays, circuit breakers, something that could be really hard to find, and if you're in the middle of nowhere, you don't have a replacement one, you may end up being stuck, guys, in the middle of nowhere, or they can be seriously overpriced. So what we do, we usually buy some spare ones, we put in the glove box for peace of mind. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.